हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ डेली मार्केट रिकैप, जहां पर हम निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी और कुछ स्टॉक्स के डेली चार्ट्स के बारे में डिस्कशन करते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज वीडियो विद निफ्टी फर्स्ट. And as you can see here, today we have a big red candle and it has closed somewhere around 25,870 level. So boss, now Nifty will become a falling knife. It opened somewhere around 26,100 level. Then most of the people could think like, okay, we have a support at 26,000 level, then it broken, then again this 25 and 9,000 level could be the major support, but again this level is also broken, and now we are approaching towards 25,700. Now let me tell you the interesting part here. If you see the chart, then the major support looks like 25,700, right? But if you see the option data, boss, there is a no major support for Nifty. Even this 700 600 level are not look so promising. And if you talk about the data, people are relentlessly selling the call option rather than put. If you see, for 2 days people have sold 6.4 cr of call, and they have sold only 11 lakhs of put. So boss, this put selling is nothing as compared to this call selling. And if you talk about the pcr, then pcr is 0.5, which looks more bearish. So boss, now nifty will turn into bearish mode. If you talk about the bank nifty, then bank nifty is down by 0.5%. Earlier we are expecting that it will take support from here and then it will go back, but nifty को देख के ऐसा कुछ नहीं लग रहा है. If you talk about other indices, then other indices are also bleeding, like small cap, mid cap is down by 2%. Now let's create some view on nifty trade. So boss, you can plan your trade like this 26,000 level is the major resistance now. And if you talk about the support, then there is a no major support for nifty. So please make your plan your trade accordingly. Now let's check the sectorial indices. So IT is down by 2%. Yeah, IT is trying to recover, but okay, but again it fall back at the same level. Let's check on weekly time frame for this IT stock only. In weekly time frame, this IT stock looks more bearish. If we check the news, the major reason for this is, if you see this headline, Indian IT stock had for worst year since 2022 on weak US demand. Foreign outflow is not that much. Of course, I mean there is a lots of layoff in the IT company because of the reduce in demand. Okay. If we talk about the auto sector, then this candle will give you the indication for reversal. Metal industry is down by 3.5%. Of course, there will be some profit booking at this level. CNX Pharma is down by 1.3%. So here every major indices has fallen up to 1 or 2%. All right, ये सारे डेटा देखने के बाद it seems like कि there are some fear in the market and maybe there is a high chance that our indices will fall more from this level. Let's talk about rest of the things. This USD versus INR is flat. Crude oil is up by 1.5%. Gold is down by 1%, and the silver is down by 4.5%. Interestingly, again, I mean there is a fear in the market, so everyone try to book their profit in silver. Bitcoin is down by 1.5%. Let's check the Bitcoin chart also, because earlier it tried to give the breakout, but again it's fallen back to pavilion. Now let's time to look our stock. So IDFC First Bank is up by 2%, and let me draw this level because there is some selling pressure at 86 level. Vedanta Group is down by 3%, and now it's trying to approach our SL. Bajaj Auto is slightly down. Eicher Motor is down by 0.4%. We have an entry in Bajaj Auto and Eicher Motor, right? Let me check. All right, yesterday we make an entry in Bajaj Auto, and on 5th of January we make entry in Eicher Motor. Now let's talk about this Coal India. Again, there is some profit booking in Coal India. Yesterday we have added these stocks like Sun Pharma and Alchem. And today we are expecting that there will be a green candle in this zone, but eventually we have a red candle. And the same story for the LKM also. LKM looks bullish, right? Because this is the spinning top and there is a indecision in the market. At least LKM is not fall. There is a some strength in LKM stock. I have added this stocks. I mean, there is a no buy or sell signal. I just want to track the copper. So that is why I have added this in copper. All right, so let's check some data. FII is bearish. And if you talk about the pros, pro have sold this much of call and bought this much of put. And this client is bullish, but who care about the client? Is there any major event? So nothing is major. Okay, so there will be no major event for this expiry. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. If you new to the channel, please subscribe it so that you will get a daily market update.